I'll be discussing the landmark judgment of economic freedom fighters versus Speaker of the National Assembly and others. This is a significant constitutional case in South Africa that dealt with the powers and duties of the public protector and the accountability of public officials. In 2013, the Public Protector of South Africa, Thuli, released a report titled Secure and Comfort, which investigated allegations of improper spending on upgrades to President Jacob Zuma's private residence. The report found that there were numerous irregularities and excessive costs involved in the upgrades. The Economic Freedom Fighters, a political party in South Africa, brought a case before the Constitutional Court seeking a declaratory order that President Zuma had failed to comply with the remedial action recommended by the Public Protector and requesting appropriate relief. The Constitutional Court, in its ruling, held that President Zuma had failed to uphold, defend, and respect the Constitution by ignoring the remedial action prescribed by the Public Protector. The court emphasized that the Public Protector's findings and remedial actions were binding unless set aside by a court of law. The court further held that the National Assembly had also failed in its constitutional obligations by not holding the President accountable for his failure to comply with the Public Protector's remedial action. The court stressed the importance of accountability and transparency in a constitutional democracy. In terms of the relief granted, the court ordered that the President must personally pay back a portion of the public funds used for non-security related upgrades to his residence. The court also declared that the National Assembly had the power and duty to hold the President accountable and that it must establish rules to facilitate the exercise of this duty. The judgment was a landmark ruling that emphasized the accountability of public officials, including the President, and the significance of the Public Protector's role in holding them accountable. It affirmed the authority and binding nature of the Public Protector's remedial action. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.